Okay, good evening once again, folks. Our second piece for tonight is Just Tell Me You Love Me. Ito yung pinasosyal na long distance na ayat, Just Tell Me You Love Me. Kasi nga naman sa first line pa lang ng song, sabi niya, many times I wish you were here. O di ba magkalayo sila? And dahil napaka-special ng song na to para sa akin, dahil isa sa mga paborito ko, ito ay bukod tangi namin inaalay sa aming kumpare at kumare na si Rona Garcia at si Greg Garcia. Pare at mare ha, yung inaanak niyo medyo malaki na ng konti. Grade 4 na siya. Para sa inyo, kumare Rona and Greg, okay, sana ito bibig ang pagmamahalan although magkalayo kayo. And of course, this is also para kay Brother Andy Katapang and Laminor Katapang na medyo magkahiwalay din sila ng lugar pero patuloy na nagko-communicate. Kitang-kita ko po sa Facebook kung paano kayo magpakita ng pagmamahalan sa isa't isa. So para sa inyong apat, itong awitin na to. At sa mga nag-dedicate po, kay Brother Danny Kirit, ako pala nag-dedicate nito, na siyang nagde-design ng ating mga larawan. Maraming salamat, brother, sa effort mo. And of course, to Eden Antalan, sabi niya, just tell you love you para sa mga friends ko. Thank you and God bless. And to Esel Valdez Decano, request ko po, just tell you love me sa mga minamahal ko sa buhay, my family in Houston, Gimba, at sa mga uncle at auntie ko sa Canada at Amerika. Pati met friend ko na si Joe at Pasita at amin arito Saudi. Thank you very much, Sir Felix, from Esel Decano dito sa Saudi. Mula naman kay Angel Era, sabi niya, goes out to Mr. Alan Erang, ay patpatig ko unay, over and over. And also, the 4-decade duo wishes Ma'am Minda's Maid a blessed birthday. Happy birthday for Ma'am Minda, mula po sa 4-decade duo at sa lahat ng mga makakabasa nito, mag-wish siya ng happy birthday. At pati yung mga pamangkin mo na taga Rojas, talagang tumawag sa akin para lang batiin daw kita. Okay, so, Ma'am Minda, happy birthday po.
Many times wish you were here through the velvet shadows of my dreams. Many times wish you were near through the darkness as it came, but it seems that you've never said what I needed to hear. Just tell me you love me, whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead the way to your heart through the nearness of silence. You love me. Quietly I've waited for the memory born of our first kiss. Patiently I've waited for the moment you would take me to a world that I've never seen that girl before. Just tell me you love me, whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed, let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead the way to your heart through the nearness of silence. You love